So now I'm on this site called panzoid.com, and basically there's a whole bunch of different intro templates that you can just grab one. There's a ton on here. There's trending, latest, top. You can scroll through all these. There's tons of them, guys. And then all you're going to want to do is grab one of them, and then you can change it to your name. So for now, I'll just grab this one right here, and then you just click Open in Clip Maker. And like I said, this will be helpful because it'll make it look like your channel. So if you have your own intro in every video, it's going to look like they're your videos. So when people are going through and watching all your different videos, they'll think you made them and they won't care. They're just going to probably click on it, see the intro, think you made it, and then you'll be good to go. And then especially when it gets to review time, the YouTube reviewers are going to review it. They're going to see that, you know, you have the same intro on every video and it has your name on it. So obviously you made the video, right? So that just helps you get through the review process and helps it look like your video and things like that. So in order to edit this, and there's tons of them that you can choose from, but we'll just do this one for now. And you can click this eye and that'll show you what it's going to look like here. And so then to change the name, you just click this right here, and you can see all these little text groups. This is the part that says your, and then these four all say name, so we'll want to change. So we'll say our name is Highlight God for this. So if our channel was Highlight God, you have to click all four of these, change the names, and you have to push enter. So you type it in, then you push enter, and that's what's going to make it happen. You have to push enter there. There we go. So now they all say highlight, and then we change this one to God 4 times. Right there like that. Okay, and then I didn't push enter on 2 of this. Enter. There we go. Now you can go back to the beginning. Push play, and here's what it'll look like. There we go. Now we have our own intro there. So then you just come right here and push download. You can change all kinds of things. You can change the way it moves. You can change the positioning, change the colors, all that stuff. But most of you guys are probably just going to want to pick one of the templates, change the name, and call it good. So then you're going to go in here and push balanced. I like to push like good quality or extreme quality because you know you might have to wait one time, but oh well, it'll make it look better. For now I'm just gonna pick balance so we don't have to sit here and wait all day, but yeah, I would probably pick extreme quality. It'll just make it look better. And then we'll just do start render, and this should only take a few minutes here, a couple minutes to go through. But yeah, this is going to make your channel really look like it's all your videos, which is very crucial to do when you're doing things like this, when you're copying videos. You want it to look as much like your videos as possible. And so, especially with like things like highlights and stuff, when you have your own intro, it makes it look like you made the highlight videos, which is very important, especially when it comes to review time. Like I said, they'll see your name, which is the same name as the channel, and they'll think that you made all the videos, which is a very important thing to do. So we only have 30 seconds left here, and this is just rendering, and then after that we're going to have to download it, and I'll show you how to do that. And then once you download it, it's in a file quality that it's in a file form that it is not read by the video editor. So then we're going to have to put it into YouTube, and I'll show you how to do this as unlisted, and then download it just like we download any other video. Then you'll have that video forever, and you'll be able to drop it in every one of your videos really quickly. So this is just something you're going to have to do one time, and then once it's downloaded on your computer, it'll be really easy to literally just grab and drop your intro, grab and drop the video, and then your intro will be in front of your video every single time. It'll only take a couple seconds for you to drop an intro in every video, which at that point, then you're going to get through a lot of the ID matches because you're going to have a different time, like I said, on every video, and you're going to have your intro on every video, and it'll only take you a couple seconds to do, but it'll really help your channel out as far as not get deleted for, you know, duplication, things like that. So then you push download your video, and you'll see it pop down here on the bottom. So there's that video. So now it's in downloads. So now it's in the downloads file here, video.mkv. And it's right here. So now it's downloaded, but it's in a file that is not supported by our video editor. So what I like to do is just go and upload the intro. So I'll usually just go into my YouTube channel and I will find that video.mkv. And then I will go ahead and upload that to YouTube on unlisted, so that way nobody sees it but you. It has to be on unlisted because you'll be able to download it. So I'll just do like intro. You have to be able to download it the same way we always download things, and so, you know. So we get the end save that we always use. If it's on unlisted, you're able to download it. So then you just take that link right there, and then we will download it into here. But since it's unlisted, no one will see it but you, but you'll still be able to download it. Alright, and then you can go ahead and push download. Save as intro in videos, that works. Alright, so now we got that. So now all we got to do is go back in here. And we'll remove that. And then just go in here and you can actually just go intro, and then you can just drag and drop that right in there. And then you can drop that into the beginning of the video. We'll make room for it first, move this stuff over. You can drop that right in here. And you'll get faster at this. Obviously it takes a while when you're first starting. So there you go, you have that intro in there. And you can see there that it was kind of small. So you can actually grab this and make it full screen here. And I believe when we actually encode it, it's not going to look this bad.
Trying to get untracked in this.
It should look better once we actually encode it. So once we're finished making the video, but that's how you make an intro. So now we got their intro out, and we have ours in. So now if you have that on every one of your videos, and they all say Highlight God, and your channel is Highlight God, people are going to think it's your video. You're going to get past the content ID match that way on a lot of the videos, and then you'll be good to go with that. And in the next lesson, we'll talk about if you upload it and it still gets blocked, then it must be for your audio. It might be music, so I'll show you in another video how to get rid of that music, or if it's because of like the announcers talking is content ID match, there's a way to get around that as well, which I will show in another lecture. And then we also have to get rid of that watermark as well in another lecture.